Okay, these first three questions in this last question are kind of reasonable, but the very last question is quite very challenging. And let's just see it. We're supposed to prove with reasons that PR equals PW times QR divided by QE. And we read all this stuff very careful about the parallel lines and that we've got a tangent here. So the tan chord theorem is going to mean those two angles are equal. And how would we do this? Well, this is how you do it. If you've got a parallel line going across here, then you know that the ratio of PR to PW has to be the same as QR to QE. That's the proportionality theorem. And then all you do is multiply by PW, and you get exactly what they were asking to prove. So all it is the proportionality theorem. And the long side to the short side on either side of this triangle makes the ratios work. Okay, because of the proportionality theorem. And then it says if PQZ, now you use this later on, and you often do in these questions, if this is similar, prove that PQ squared equals RQ times QZ. Well, this one's dead easy because all you do is, well, if they're similar, PQ goes with this PQ goes with this QZ, and we have that, we just make the ratios, just match up the problems. We've got PQ goes with RQ the way QZ goes with QP. Just put the letters in the places that they appear in the three letters in the triangle. If they're next to each other, you can just make ratios out of them. That's what the similarity is. Well, this ratio is true because they're similar triangles. You just match up. The first two go with the first two here. The last two go with the last two. And then what do? Just cross multiply. QP and PQ. It's just PQ squared equals this RQ times QZ. We're going to use that later too. Then it says prove that the triangle QSZ is similar to QRS. Well, go from Q to S to Z. This little triangle is equal to the big triangle Q to R to S. Well, we've got S1 equals R2 because of the tan chord theorem. So in those two triangles, that's the tan chord theorem. They share Q2. It's common. That angle Q2, I should have said Q2 is common. Well, if we match up two angles, it means all three angles must match up. So therefore, triangle QSZ is similar to triangle QRS because of angle, because their angles match up. And there we go. We've done another question.